Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, andito po tayo sa East West Road, Amadeo Highway, wherein we have a project here na meron po tayong mga 1,000 square meter farm lots for only 6,000 per square meter, 3 years, 0% interest, and meron din po tayong mga residential lot which is a 200 square meter. Actually, onti na lang po, mga 10 lots na lang po siya, which is 7,700 per square meter lang po, 3 years to pay, 0 interest. So meron tayo ditong mga amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, guardhouse, and maganda po yung magiging entrance dito. Meron din po mga commercial lots dyan before, kaso sold out na po siya for 14,000 per square meter dati. So ito po yung ating ongoing development ng project. Yan pong East West Road. Pag tinuloy-tuloy nyo po yan, papunta po ng Silang, Amadeo is open na po siya. Yung kabila ng mga road is tuloy-tuloy po siya going to Indang, going to Alfonso, to Magallanes, to Batangas. But as of now, hanggang Indang pa lang po yung accessible. Pero sa future, this will be the magiging major roads if you are going to Batangas. So maganda pong mag-invest dito habang mura pa. So ito naman guys yung ating project, just around 5 minutes from doon po sa ating new project. This one is an old project, mga 6 years ago. So yan, meron na pong linya ng kuryente, yan, any house design po, yung concrete roads, ganyan pong kalaki, and talaga pong well maintained, no? Yung kanyang mga damo is lagi po nakatrimmed. So yan po siya, ito po yung isang ating project, na ganyan din po yung magiging itsura ng ito pong ating new project kapag tapos na. So yun lamang po, maraming salamat sa panonood, and see you in the next vlog.